Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andy. I am Ginger Bars Limited at the Redan. Today we're going to be having another quick how-to the Mojito. Simple ingredients for a Mojito. 1, a good quality rum. 2, some good quality limes. 3, some good quality mint. And 4, some sugar. Now, how you treat these raw ingredients is how you can or cannot make a decent Mojito. Take a glass of your choice, any glass, it doesn't really matter. I choose to use this hurricane glass because it's pretty and it's big. So, this is a better and easier way of making a Mojito. Number 1, start with a handful of mint. Pop them in there. Instead of using sugar, I'm going to use sugar syrup. And I'm going to put in 3/4 of a shot. I'm then, instead of taking fresh limes, I'm going to take fresh lime juice, which I've pre-squeezed, and put in a full shot. Instead of tearing my mint, I'm going to actually churn it to mean that I bruise the mint leaves, but I'm not ripping them. I'm just bruising the mint leaves and I'm spreading it all up inside the glass, just because this will then create consistency of flavour throughout the whole drink. Nice big scoop of ice, 2 slugs of rum. At home, if you're worried about measures, use egg cups, use something which is around about 25 ml. And then again, I'm churning the drink so that it chills, it dilutes, and it creates a nice consistent flavour throughout. As far as soda, that's enough. I'm then again going to garnish it. Nice piece of lime. And I'm going to grab this little cheeky chappy, give it a slap. Make it smell nice, pop it in there, and then serve it to you.